In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google on your Fire TV stick. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, all you want to do is go over to the Find icon, and then from here, you can go over to the App Store. Now, once you're in the App Store, you're going to see a lot of different applications that you're going to be able to download. But I'm just going to go to Search right now, and then I'm going to press Select to Search. And from here, I can just go ahead and go to Google. If I just type it in G, Google is going to come up. And then basically, I can search in apps. So basically what I can do is I could go over and press the internet. So Amazon has its own browser, and the app might be available for an update. I'm just going to quickly launch it without updating though. It's basically called Amazon Silk. So if I want to go to the Google search engine, as you can see, it's right there. So all I have to go ahead and do, I can go ahead and use my arrows as like a mouse sort of. So if I want to go ahead to Google, just go ahead and press on that, and then I could go ahead and leave the page, and that's it. Google is now open. If I want to go ahead and search on it, I can click right there. It's going to open up a keyboard, so then I can type in anything I want. So if I just want to type in like, anything like run, for example, just as a random example, then I press the play and pause for next as basically my enter, and now I could just go ahead and press Google search like so. Then it's gonna ask me for cookies and data and whatever. I can just go ahead and accept that, and then once you're done with that, as you can see, it searches whatever you type in. You just use Google as much as you want on your TV. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.